Students, welcome back to the English Channel Prime. Students, in the last class, we have completed What the Leaves Said, the poem number 5 for grade 5, and also we have completed the explanation to this poem 5, What the Leaves Said. Also, we have completed the glossary words, hard words and meanings. So, in this class, let's start doing the exercises. First one, comprehension. Open page number 69. First main, answer the following questions in 2 or 3 sentences each. First question, what are the leaves described as doing in the first stanza? So students, write the answer. During the spring season, the trees grow well. The leaves spread over every branch of the tree. So this is all described in the first stanza. Second question, which stanza tells us that the leaves are happy? Pick out the line that conveys this. Answer, write down. Opening and stretching on every tree. Put it into inverted commas. This line expresses the happiness of the leaves. The first stanza itself says that the leaves are extremely happy because all the leaves would stretch over on every branch of the trees. Question number 3. In which season do leaves give shade for the nest for birds? Answer is, in the summer season, the leaves give shade for the nest. The trees make the shade and help the birds to rest on them. Question number 4. Why are the leaves described as lying down to sleep in winter? Answer is, as the leaves get scarlet and golden, they start to fall one by one. And in the winter season, the leaves are falling under the tree. Done. Now let's go to the second main. Answer the following questions in a paragraph each. 6 to 8 sentences. Answers you have to write. Question number 1. What do the words scarlet, golden and russet in stanza 3 suggest? Answer is, the words scarlet, golden and russet suggest that the leaves get older. Therefore, the color changes. This may be the time to fall on the ground and the tree is ready to welcome the spring season. In the beginning of autumn, it happens, and in the winter season, all the leaves fell down. Question number 2. Which season do you like the most and why? Answer, children, you can write your own answer. I am giving you one example of mine. I like the spring season most. The earth appears to have erupted in a maze of colors. That is, the earth looks very beautiful, very colorful. The sun shines warmly all over and little birds sing happily. After the cold winter days, we feel everything in this world is joyful. Done? Now question number 3. A day has 4 distinct parts: morning, afternoon, evening and night. How do you usually feel during these periods of the day? You have to write in a paragraph. So write the 4 distinct parts. Morning. After the night's rest, I feel energetic after waking up and ready to face the challenges of the day. Afternoon. I feel low in energy after lunch. Evening. I feel relieved to go home from school. Night time. After studying in the evening, I welcome the night so that I can take a good night's sleep. Question number 4. Which part of the day do you like the most? Answer. You can write your own answer. Which part of the day you like? I like the mornings because I like mornings the most because we feel refreshed after a good night's sleep. Now third main, pick out the rhyming words in each stanza. Write a suitable rhyming word for each of the following words. Spring, yes, ring, summer, drummer, slept, wait. Now turn the page number 70. Personification, I have already told you what is personification. Now identify the season each picture depicts. Question number 3. So you can identify the first picture is picture of spring. Second is summer. Third picture refers to autumn season because the leaves are falling and scarlet in color. And in winter, all the leaves are falling. Done. Fourth question, list out the festivals that you celebrate during the spring season. Yes, we celebrate Holi. Summer, Ugadi. Autumn, Diwali. Winter, Christmas. So this is all. We did the question answers. If there is any doubt,